Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.